Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been ridiculously long since I've posted a video, but I have a quick little tutorial here for you and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So today I'm starting off with the iluvsarahii Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that all over my eyes today. I'm jumping in with the shade Loungy all over my crease just to use as my transition shade for the colors that I'll be putting down later. I'm going for a cut crease look, so I really want my crease to be super defined and a little bit deeper, so I'm going in with the shade Wanderlust just to intensify that a little bit more. And then I'm using a small fluffy brush and just packing the color on, blending it in, and then using a big fluffy brush just to blend everything out. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease using some concealer and a flat concealer brush. I don't know how to explain how to do a cut crease, but I'm hoping that you can pick up from what I'm doing because it's not exactly easy to explain. But it just depends on the shape of your eye and a whole lot of practice. So I'm not gonna set the concealer, I'm just gonna go straight in with the shade Sun Glow, and I'm gonna pack that all over my lid, and I'm using a brush to get like really close to the edges, and then I'm gonna pack some on with my finger. So now I'm going to go in with the super sparkly black shade in the palette called Finders Keepers, and I'm going to use that to create a subtle smoky wing just on the outer edge. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It doesn't show up sparkly when you put it on, but I don't really mind, but it would have been nice. So I'm gonna use the same shades that I used in my crease on my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna buff that out and then jump in with liquid lip. This is the Maybelline Matte Ink and Driver, and line my lips quickly, and that pretty much wraps up this very short, very simple look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.